Now I'd like to present you one of the most modern cars ever. It has a special sound system, it's futuristic, it has solar cells on the top. So it drives by the power of solar energy. It's ecological because it produces no emissions. With this car you will get many friends. Drive for the future, drive the SX1 of Power Group.
It's Red Bull with the big ass bra, and like Bruce Lee, I got the clout, yeah. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out when I walk in the spot. This is what I see. Everybody stops and is staring at me. I got passion in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it.
Oh fuck, it was only just a dream.